All right, let's tackle this last little piece in chapter section 10-5, recursion and iteration. And we are now going to look to iterate a function. And this is very similar to a recursion, except that we've got a function, f of x, and we're given a function equation. In this case, the one we're looking at here, we got f of x equals negative 3x plus 8. We're asked to find the first iterates, x1, x2, x3, and we're given an initial value of x0, subscript 0, equaling 6. So again, very similar to what we see in a recursion. We're going to plug in this value of x of 0 equals 6 into this function equation to find x subscript 1. So think about it like this. F of x subscript 0 is going to equal x subscript 1. And then f of x subscript 1 is going to equal x subscript 2. And f of subscript 2 is going to equal x subscript 3. So what we can say here then is that iteration is the process of repeatedly composing a function with itself. So here I've got a function equation, f of x equals negative 3x plus 8. And so let's find x subscript 1. And we do that, we're going to write this like this. F of subscript 0 is equal to negative 3. Well, x of subscript 0 is really 6. So we got negative 3 times 6 plus 8. And let's see, negative 3 times 6 is negative 18, plus 8 is going to give me negative 10. Now, if I take f of negative 10, which negative 10 is actually x subscript 1 right there, then I've got negative 3. To find x subscript 2, I've got negative 3 times negative 10 plus 8. Let's see, negative 3 times negative 10 is going to give me 30. Two negatives multiplied together is going to give me a positive, and 30 plus 8, let me just write it out. I didn't do it last time. 30 plus 8 equals 38. And then f of x subscript 2, which is 38, in order to determine x subscript 3, a lot of talking here, I got negative 3 times 38 plus 8. Let's see, 3 times negative 38. 3 times negative 38 is going to give me negative 114 plus 8 is going to give me negative 106. So the first three iterates of f of x equals negative 3x plus 8 when we've got an initial value of x subscript 0 equaling 6 is negative 10, 38, negative 106. You're composing a function. You're repeatedly composing a function to come up with the iterates. All right, it's not too bad. Just plug and chug. Keep plugging and chugging. Keep plugging and chugging. And you've got it. We have iterated a function.